Today, let us discuss one of the important topic in pathophysiology, that is brief study on apoptosis. Our topic is apoptosis. Correctly speaking, here the P will be silent. It is called as apoptosis. Now, what is apoptosis or what is apoptosis? The basic general definition of apoptosis is it is a programmed cell death in which the cellular contents of its own cell will get converted into suicidal case, will become injured. Apoptosis is a programmed cell death in which the cellular content will become injured by itself. Is called apoptosis. Now, this apoptosis may be pathological or physiological. It may be physiological or it may be pathological. Now, if we discuss basically in a adopted cell which is irreversible damage will undergo cell death. Let us consider a cell death. This cell death may undergo by two processes. One is necrosis, while the other pathway is apoptosis. One is necrosis and the other one is apoptosis. Now, this necrosis will ultimately result in death. It results in cell death, and this is also will result in death. Now, this necrosis occurs because of high injury to the cell, because of more injury on lethally injured cell. Necrosis occurs because of injury which takes place on lethally injured cell, will result in necrosis and results in cell death. Whereas this apoptosis or apoptosis may be because of external factors. It may be external factors or there may be internal factors. There may be external factors or there may be internal factors which results in apoptosis, which will ultimately result in death. These two, necrosis and as well as apoptosis, will result in death of the cell. It results in death of the cell. Now, one of the main function or one of the main symptom in which a cell can be examined that the cell undergone apoptosis is, let us consider this is one cell in which this is the outermost layer, this is cell membrane. Inside the cell membrane, cell membrane is a lipid bilayer. It consists of lipids. These are the lipids. These are the lipid molecules inside the membrane. Let us consider these black color structures are the lipids. Now, This is normal cell. Whereas if this normal cell undergoes apoptotic pathway, it undergoes apoptosis. Now let us consider this is the cell. This is the same cells. This is normal cell and this is apoptotic cell. Apotic cell. Now in case of normal cell, the lipid molecules will be tilted towards the inner side of the membrane, but in case of apoptosis, the lipid molecules will be altered in its shape, so that the lipid molecules will be tilted towards the outside of the membrane. Let us consider in this way. The lipid molecules will be tilted towards the outside of the membrane. This is the first cause or the first symptom in which the cell can be detected, like the normal cell undergone apoptosis. That is, the shape of these lipid molecules will get altered so that the lipid will get converted into outside of the cells, and these are apoptic cells. Now these apoptosis may be occurred or may be confined to only one cell, so that the remaining cells cannot get damaged with this apoptosis. Let us consider in a apoptotic cell, all the cell materials will get degenerated and they cannot affect the other sides of cell. All the affected particles will get packed in special structures which are derived from the cytoplasms, that are called apoptic bodies. Apoptic bodies. These are the apoptic bodies. Let us consider. This is a structure of apoptic bodies in which the lipid molecules are tilted in structure. These are the lipid molecules. The lipid molecules are tilted towards the structure, and it consists of special proteins or special structure on the surface of apoptic bodies. These are the red color structures. These reticular structures will be helpful for the phagocytosis by macrophages. Let us consider these are the macrophages, in which these apoptic bodies will be engulfed by these macrophages. Now, these macrophages have special receptors for these reticular structures, so that it will get attached to these receptors. Now, these special kind of reticular structures are called opsonins. These are called opsonin. What is opsonin? Opsonin are the chemical substance which are produced on the surface of apoptic bodies, in which one end is, let us consider, this is apoptic bodies, this is the apoptic body. So this is the opsonin, in which they have two hands. One hand is attached to the apoptic bodies, it is attached to the apoptic bodies, and other hand is attached to the macrophages. In this way, the opsonin has two hands, in which one hand is binded to this apoptic bodies and other hand is binded to these macrophages. Now, it will be engulfed by this macrophage and results in death of these apoptic bodies. This is about normal apoptosis, and as we discussed that these apoptosis may be physiological or they may be pathological. Now let us discuss some examples of pathological and some examples in physiological which results in apoptosis. First let us discuss about physiological conditions, some physiological conditions. First let us discuss some physiological conditions which results in apoptosis. Let us discuss some physiological conditions which results in apoptosis. First one is during the embryogenesis. Let us consider this is our hand. Let us consider this is our hand during the embryogenesis. Now this hand will get converted into like this. Now this type of hand will get converted into this type of hand, so that the extra cells which are present in this area will undergo apoptosis. As a result, a specific type of hand will be erased or will be produced in case of embryological conditions. This is the first condition which results in apoptosis, that is during the embryology. During embryology. This is the first condition in which this extra cells undergoes apoptosis, that is during the embryology. Now second condition, let us consider in a pregnant woman who is giving milk to the newly delivered baby, in which it consists of high amount of prolactin in their breast.